Hey guys, welcome back to Fixify, the YouTube channel that teaches you all the how-tos. In today's video, we are looking at Monday.com, the tool and platform space used to help manage your business and the team that helps run it. Now today we're looking at the free version of Monday.com, and we're going to be going through the entire site, teaching you how to start your managing team. Obviously, like I just said, this is going to be the free version, so if you want to come up here and hit pricing, we can show you the actual pricing plans. For free, you have up to 2 seats. For individuals looking to keep track of their work, includes up to 3 boards, unlimited docs, 200 templates, over 20 column types, over 2 team members, up to 2 team members, iOS and Android apps. Then you have basic for $8 a month, $10, $16, and then you can get a quote on a enterprise. Now, for all the paid versions, you do get unlimited team members as opposed to the free version, which only allows you to have 2 individuals working. Come back over the homepage, you can see right here, a platform built for a new way of working. What would you like to manage with Monday.com? And from here, you could select all the different options. So creative and design, software development, marketing, let's choose that, project management, let's choose that, sales, task manager, let's show that. HR, operations, let's choose that, and more workflow, let's choose that, and let's hit the get started screen. Now, welcome to Monday.com. You want to put in your work email. Let's do that right now. Once you do that, you want to put in your full name, password, and account name. So for full name, let's just put John Doe or your full name. And account name, let's just put Fixify -how to. I've agreed to the terms and policy. Let's continue. Hey, what brings you to Monday.com today? Let's put in work. What describes your current role? Let's put in team member and continue. How many people are on your team? Let's go 2 to 5. How many people work at your company? Let's go 1 to 19. Hit continue. Select what you would like to manage first. We have marketing, design and creative, and operations. Let's put in design and creative. Continue that. You see right here, it's loading. Invite your team members. So from here, you can invite as many people as you want. Let's quickly do that right now. Okay, and then once you do that, you could come over here to the how would you like to get started screen. You could either import your work from Microsoft Excel, Google Docs, Trello, ClickUp, anything like that. You can either choose a template, so an already customized workspace, or you can start with a blank board. Let's go over here real fast and let's select some of the templates. Let's just see what they have. Single projects, plan any project flow in one workspace and track its progress. So we've got creative requests, basic CRM, content calendar, and basic training. So, like we do with most other sites on this channel, we're going to go with specifically making a YouTube channel, or let's say the Fixify YouTube channel. We're going to show you how to make the videos and how to manage them. So let's come over here and hit content calendar. Manage all your content on our content calendar template. Let's click on that. And you can see here, it does give us a little tiny little tutorial. And basically it just shows us how to use it. But that's what I'm here to do today. So let's come over here and hit use template. See, it's creating a team board. Okay, and here we go. Here is the full Monday.com. You see right here, it says learn and get started. But here it says learn and get inspired. You can easily learn more and get inspired with exploring our learning center. We're not going to do that today. See, the first thing it shows us is the content calendar, but also here on the left-hand side, we have the main workspace. We could add, we could filter in, we could search for something. Your first board and content calendar. Let's click over here where it says your first board. And here we go. This is kind of the layout of Monday.com. You have your specific item. You can make comments towards it, the people who are working on it, the status of the job, and then the due date. And this is a little extra, so you could add more stuff to it. You can select it all by groups. So from right here, now again, I do recommend using a template because it's the easiest thing to do. Let's come over here to group 1. We could change the group 1 name. We could hit week 1 videos. Group 2, we could put week 2 videos. Add another group. This one could be called week 3 videos. And for each week, we're going to have 3 items. Okay, here we go. And when you want to edit a specific item, we come over here where it says open. And it gives you this little side tab right here, item 1. We could change that to the, let's say, the video name. So let's click on Notion basic how to as just the, base video title that we used. Okay, and for an update, let's click on make a YouTube video on how to use Notion, the all-in-one team building workspace. Update that. And there we go. So there's the actual name of it. We can select the person we want to work on it. Let's click on John Doe. The status, we have working on it, stuck, done. You could even add more labels. So let's select, okay. So let's make one of them video filmed, video edited, and video done. Apply those. Now let's go through and quickly customize all the actual item names. Okay, and there we go. So you see right here, I have week 1 videos, all Notion, and all of them are done. Week 2, we have Canva, filmed, and 1 edited. And then week 3, ClickUp, Monday, and Trello. Now, one really cool thing it does is you can hit the automated button. And now, basically, anytime, let's say you have a video editor and a thumbnail designer, so you can make a notification system. So we could put in when John Doe, the video editor, is done, notify thumbnail designer, and then the thumbnail designer on his or her phone or computer will get a instant notification saying, hey, it's your turn to do the task. Along with, let's say, the boss, so you could say all personnel are done, notify boss man. And the big boss will get a notification that that project is done and ready for upload. Another cool thing is, so let's say a video is done. Let's come over here, Canva for thumbnail editing. Where it says video edited, we can come over here and we get done. It gives you a nice little confetti to show that you are done with this project. And you get that with every single one. Now, it also gives you the due date and this little plus icon right here. If you want to hit the plus icon, we could add more columns. So status, people, date, those are all already in. Timeline, numbers, text, dependency, formula, drop down, files, label, priority, Monday, doc, and connect board. Let's click over here and hit files. So from here, we can now insert links. We could drop something from Google Drive to Dropbox, from Box to OneDrive and SharePoint, Docs. We could take a photo from with our webcam. We could insert files from our computer. And so whoever, let's say, is editing this or creating this can easily click on one link and has the entire project right there. Okay, now I'm going to show you is, for instance, this entire project catalog on my account is labeled as John Doe. So if we come over here to the left side, we have all these different options. We have work management, notifications, inbox, my work, and favorites. If we come over here to my work, we have an entire list of all John Doe assignments. So we have next week is Notion Basic How To, Notion for School. And that's only because those are the dates we have selected. Later, so let's say the week after is Notion for Quick Notes. And then without a date, the ones we have not created a date with. Same thing with the groups, is all of these are listed as week 1 works, as week 1 videos. These 3 are week 2, and those 3 are work 3. Now, it gives you this board option. If you want to come over here and hit your first board, if we click on that, it should bring us all the way over to the basic board screen, or the your first board screen. And from even here, we could rename it to whatever we want. Now, moving all the way over here once again to the content calendar. Click on that. And we can then go, let's say if we like this idea better, we can go and we could add, let's say, the events or the videos to the calendar. So let's go over here to to January 14th. Let's hit add. New item, Monday.com video. Campaign management, John Doe. Channel, YouTube. Campaign brief, we can add a little comment. Campaign timeline, we can set the date, so we have the 9th all the way to the 15th to work on it. Budget spent, we have a specific budget, so let's just put $10. Campaign start, and we can hit we're working on it. Assets and the link to campaign, we can hit start campaign. And there we go. So this is our, let's call this one work 3 or money.com video. So we have this entire week to work on this specific video. And we can do that with a single date. We can do that with the entire month. We can do it for however long we want. Okay, now one last thing before I wrap things up is I'm going to come all the way down here to the very bottom of the left-hand side. And we have apps, invite members, search everything, and help. Come over here to apps, and Monday.com actually has a significant amount of apps to use. And you can just go through and look at all of them. So split the name. Tired of splitting a name into a first name column? Your email for your email communications. We have an app for that. That's cool. Embedded websites. We have Google Sheets embedded. Auto Connect. So many cool and useful apps that will greatly help you when working. Even this SMS to board. So we could even have this little app right here. So say we have the Monday.com app, or even a text message that gives us a name or a number, and we type in that, and it automatically connects it to our Monday.com workspace. And with that being said, thank you guys all so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please go down and leave a like, rating down below. Leave a comment down below as well for future videos you want to see on this, for future ideas that you want to see in the next video. Also, real quick, if you want to go in the comment section, if you want to go to the description down, if you want to go to the description box down below, we do have affiliate links. If you click on one of the links and do buy something, we do get a small commission, and that does help the channel out greatly. Without any further ado, thank you guys all so much for watching. We hope to see you next time, and with that, see you later.